teachers, the opposing team. Today, we are strongly against the motion that is decentralization better than centralization. My team consists of Shyam Sahu, Sidvesh Purohit, and Swaraj Singh. Yes, I agree that in some cases, yes, a decentralized government could be better, even could be faster. But here we are talking about the whole country, about the whole nation. Do you really believe a system that is totally dependent on another system can logically be superior to the system that has actually created it? It cannot. Uh, we, the Red House team, strongly are against this motion as a decentralized government could easily be corrupted. Accountability, you said, but that is that actually true? Is every single state of our country actually being developed? Some countries, yes. Some states, yes. But are all states being developed? No, right? Khalligani, and I do not have railway system in there. Can your local government actually build a railway station for me? No, right? The central government is the one that has the power to actually fix it. And yes, maybe it can be effective, but would you rather build a bridge which collapses with five cars on it, or build a bridge that takes time but actually doesn't collapse and doesn't actually harm the people? Obviously, you would prefer the second option, would you not? Also, you still haven't answered my question. How is the local government actually better? They cannot tend to the needs of the people, the actual needs. Even make those roads, they cannot. And we can obviously hire local people which will provide the information to a central government. If we give them enough power, then the problem starts, the biasment, the changing of rules according to themselves. So you believe that a person who is darker in color should not be treated equally to a person who is lighter in color. You believe that a person who is from the untouchable caste should not be given equal rights to the person in Brahmin caste. You believe that, right? That's what you're saying. Meaning of biasment. You are making a whole new word according to yourself. Betterment depends on the betterment of the whole nation. The central government improves the whole nation by a lot margin. Suppose let's say Kerala region. The Kerala is pretty good as a matter of fact. It is much better than our region, the Odisha or the Punjab, Bihar. But does that actually provide in the nation's development? That yes, that improves their development, but that doesn't mean that the whole country is being developed. Should betterment just be based on locality, or should it be based on the whole nation which has loads of more people?
Actually, we can hire local people. Is that so?
Centralization, their local governments, their state governments are better than our state governments, our local governments.